Hi, and thank you for visiting Coastal Custom Wine Cellars. I'm going to take you through our design process. This particular job is a project we recently completed in Dana Point, California, and we actually created the wine cellar and the enclosure in a two-car garage. So we'll be sharing some photographs with you as well. Everyone that comes to Coastal Wine Cellars receives a complimentary three-dimensional design. It includes the plan view, which is what we're looking at now, some elevations, and some 3D visuals. This particular cellar, as you can see, the dimensions are posted here, just over 11 feet long and just over 5 feet wide. So this particular cellar accommodated 725 bottles, and a fairly large percentage of them included wood case storage, 1.5 liter, 3 liter, and even 6 liter requirement. The limited height that we had because of some obstacles in the garage, just over 6'2", I believe, but we were still able to manage over 700 bottles, right at 725, as you can see. But those numbers are posted here, and how these various bottles break down into the various components are also posted just above that. So let's take a look at elevation A, which is the right side wall as you enter from here. Elevation A is, for the most part, single bottle storage openings. I call these openings universal openings. They measure 3 3/4 inch by 3 3/4 inch inside dimension, which essentially means you can store just about any 750 milliliter bottle in the marketplace, including standard champagne bottles, Oregon Pinots, Syrahs, Zinfandels, California Blue Chips. Very few bottles will not fit here. We also included a high reveal display row, and as you can see from the side view, the bottle's pitched at a 15-degree angle. And many of our clients like to include some soft LED lighting in this area here, which is called a light balance, just above the display, which will illuminate these bottles. Not only is it a beautiful feature to the wine room, but it's a good management tool as well. You can store like wines above and below the display row. The open area here is indeed open to the garage wall. We included a tabletop, some drawers for wine accoutrements, corkscrews, napkins, that sort of thing, and some bulk storage just below that. And the client had a number of large format bottles, so just above the opening we have capacity for 4 Magnum or 1.5 liter bottles, and these are stored and displayed in a label forward horizontal display. The back wall across from the entry has an opening for wood cases. These little icons here represent wood case openings, and we've flanked that with some more of the single bottle storage in the display row. But below, and as you can see from the side view, we created this to be a double deep configuration, so the capacity was increased a bit, and it indeed offered more tabletop area for while our client was in there, managing and working with the wines. The left side wall is where we included most of the 3 liter and the 6 liter displays, as you can see there at the top. A little bit of single bottle storage so that we can continue the high reveal display going around the perimeter of the room. These are adjustable shelves, so Brian could control the spacing for the different sized wood cases that he offered. The end piece here is called a quarter round display shelf. It's not necessarily intended for wines to be stored vertically as we have depicted here. You could put decanters or other decorative items there, and as you can see, it just kind of makes a nice finish or an end to the cellarage that's on the left side wall. These three-dimensional views give you a great idea of how everything's going to tie together. This actual opening right here was left open so that we placed our Cellar Pro exterior vent cooling unit. We also included in the design our Tuscan-style arched door. It has an operable iron grill, which is operable meaning you can open it for cleaning purposes and then close it back. Certainly hope you enjoyed the tour here. Cheers.